your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses.
Hi, Figment.
There's sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Outside? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones.
You're gonna hear sound.
Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd. Hello?
Hello.
Who is this?
It's Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound, your ears are hearing. 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things from just the sound. Your mind has wings.
Continuing now,
see,
if
do
I
you see
may, in a
Figment
calm, scientific, figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3 and hit.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than
What your eyes
see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly.
I say imagination must be captured and controlled.
Imagination works best when it's set free. Just turn your imagination loose and anything can happen.
Figment? He's gone. Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play.
Is it gonna be stinky?
Figment, this is not a good time.
Is it gonna be stinky, Kuka?
Use your imagination.
Gonna be stinky?
The good times roll. Woo! You win one cent.
Figment, don't! Oh, yeah, that's really
You is stinky. Figment.
Continue. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind can find stuff is not alone.
You know, I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea. We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really comes around. It's downside up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in.
What do you see? Do you see Figment? Where's he at? There he is.
Exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain's open house.
Where's Figment?
Imagination is just turning
Do you see him?
upside down. Come on.
Do you see him everywhere? There he is.
I know a shortcut.
his footsteps.
If you can't beat them,
There's
join
one,
them.
he's running away.
We all have sparks.
Imagination! That's how our minds create creations.
We set them free and know what they can do. Those magic sparks from me and you.
You see, Doc, I knew you'd get it, because you've got a wonderful imagination.
I do. Oh, yes. Well, thank you, Figment. So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc.
Yay.
Imagination is a blast.
Right at the start of everything.